Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, what is the measure of an interior angle of an octagon? We can find the measure of an interior angle of an octagon as sum of the interior angles of octagon divided by number of sides of octagon, that is 8. Octagon is 8-sided polygon. Sum of the interior angles of regular polygon is given by n minus 2 into 180. Here n is 8. So sum of the interior angles is 8 minus 2 into 180, that is 6 into 180, which is 1080. Hence, measure of an interior angles of an octagon is given by sum of the interior angles, that is 1080 divided by number of sides, which is 8. So 1080 divided by 8 is 135 degree. That is, our answer is 135 degree, and from available options we have option B as 135 degree.